What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a 3000 watt power station by Autel. This is going to be one large power station that you can use to charge your devices or connect appliances as well. So let's go ahead and get this open so we can get a look at it. Hopefully I can get it on my desk. And here it is. This is the Autel Home 3000. This is going to be great for those who really want to save power. Maybe you have a studio setting such as like I have, or if you have a gaming room, anything that has a lot of devices. And one way that you can, save on, plugging up a lot of things is to just plug into a power station. Also, not only that, if you want to protect, say for instance, you have some expensive equipment. Say for instance, I have a computer, I have a 3D printer, different devices that I want to protect maybe from storm. Or even if you're working and you have things like a 3D printer or something that you're working on your computer and you need that to stay on, and all of a sudden a storm comes along, knocks out your power, you want to be plugged into something like this. Not only does this keep your equipment powered on, but it helps protect it as well. So with this power station, you get the 3000 watt power station itself. You get a couple accessories. This is going to be the plug that you can plug into the back here to plug into your wall to get this charged. This uses a smart charging system, so that way when you plug it up, it automatically measures how much power to safely pull to make sure that it's efficient and it charges quickly. Now, during my test, it took about 7 hours to get this completely charged from about 8% all the way to 100%. Now, other cool ways that you can get this charged is by solar, and they provide you with the cables to make that happen. So on the back of the unit, you have connections to plug this into a regular wall outlet using your home power, or if you have solar panels, you can just use the power of the sun. Now, they also provide you with other ways to get your unit charging, whether you're going to be charging the unit with different equipment, or if you're needing to plug up other equipment to this power station to get it powered. So for those who use wind turbine as your power generator to get power back into the unit, this is going to help you get that set up. You also have a cigarette lighter adapter here, or to use another 12-volt option to get power back to the unit. Now, what I like also is they come with these panels. They're magnetic. For instance, maybe you pull this into the garage and you're not going to be using it anymore. To keep the dust from going into the plugs, you can cover this, or just, in the office when you're not using this, you want to keep those plugs covered up so it stays nice and protected. And it's also labeled so that way when you're putting this panel on, if someone is wanting to use the unit and they're not totally familiar with it, they can read what and what not to plug into the actual unit. So let's go over some specs. This is 3000 watts, 3072 kilowatt hours. That's the capacity. You have a 6000 watt surge protection. So like I said, whatever you have plugged into the unit, you would also be protected because it acts as a UPS as well. So once again, if the power goes off, say for instance, like the lights that are lighting me are actually plugged into the unit right now. And when you have things plugged in, you have all of your information right here on the LCD panel. Also, control the unit is through the app. And this is a good way to keep track of all the data of, how much energy you're using or where your battery level is. And you can schedule when to charge so you can be more efficient. And also, one cool thing is you can change the lighting of the LEDs. So if I want to, say for instance, go to blue, I can click blue, white. So there's going to be 8 different colors to choose from, and you can just choose whichever color that you like. So who is this really for? This is going to be for the AVTech user. Definitely going to be a huge plus. This is going to be for you outdoor users. If you have an RV, if you love going outdoors, but you still need power, this is going to be a great power option. It even has a plug on the back to power things in your RV, so you're all set up there. So guys, if you're looking for something that's portable, that is powerful, and it's going to help you save on energy, this is going to be it. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.